Hi everyone, it's Mr. Cash. I hope you're doing okay. We're going to talk about money in this video. Before March break, we were counting coins and just starting to look at the $5 bill and learning and practicing counting money up to $10 and starting to make change. So let's do a little bit of review and just make sure that we remember all the amounts. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw two hands in the big rectangle. So on this side, I'm going to draw a hand like this. It's not a great hand, but it's a hand. And then on the left side, I'm going to draw another hand, maybe this time in blue. There's the thumb, and there are the fingers. So the idea is, in each hand, I'm going to put the same amount of money so that you can see that if you were going to trade with a friend, you could trade whatever is being held in the left hand to whatever is being held in the right hand. Okay? So I hope that things will be clear here. It's the first time I've made this video. So here's the left hand and here's the right hand. So let's move a $5 bill into the left hand. So if the person wanted to trade this $5 bill for some coins, what coins could that person trade? Maybe you've got some ideas already. Remember, this is $5, not 5 cents. So what coins could you trade the $5 bill for? So pause the video and think about it. Okay, so let's say you wanted to trade the $5 bill. So the person on the right could say, okay, I'll give you 2, that's $2, 4, that's $4, and one more dollar is $5. So those are both the same in each hand. The left hand is a $5 bill and the right hand is $5 in coins. Let's do it a different way. Let's say you didn't want to have toonies. If you wanted to have $5, each loonie is worth $1. So there's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's the same amount too, a $5 bill and 5 loonies. So let's put those back. What if we wanted to do it another way? There's lots and lots of different ways we could do this. We could probably make a 30-minute video of maybe 100 different ways of doing this. But let's just do a couple other examples. So let's take a few toonies. There's $2 and there's $4. Let's use quarters now. 4 quarters makes $1 because these are each 25 cents. So there's 25 cents, there's 50 cents in quarters, 75 cents in quarters, and now 100 cents in quarters. And remember, 100 cents is the same as $1. So here's $2, $4, and then all the quarters together make the fifth dollar. So now they show the same amount again. A $5 bill could be traded for all of these coins on the right. Okay, let's put these coins back and do it one more way. So this time I'm going to bring some coins out and count them up, and then you can pause the video and think about what other coins you might bring in to finish it off. So we want to trade $5 for some coins. So here's $1, $2, here's another toonie, so now that's $4. I'm going to bring in 10 cents, put it down here, 20, 30, 40, 50. So now there's $2, 3, $4, $4.10, $4.20, $4.30, $4.40, $4.50. So the amounts showing in both hands is not the same. How much more should I put into the blue hand to make it $5? Pause the video and think about what coins you might use. Okay, So there's a number of different answers you could put here. Perhaps you know that quarters are worth 25 cents, so you might have said, oh, 50 more cents would make it $5. Because what I had in before was $4.50. And when I add 2 more quarters, that's 50 cents, so that makes $5. So that would work. Maybe you wanted to add 5 more dimes. So there's 5 more dimes. So now we have $2, $3, $4. I'm just lining them up a bit differently. And then 10 dimes makes one more dollar. So $2, $3, $4, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's another dollar because it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and $1. So that's the same. Okay, before we end the video, let's write down what the amounts look like if you were to write them down with numbers and symbols. So on the left-hand side, it's a $5 bill. So that could be written, I'll write it in green this time. So that would be written like this, a dollar sign, and you would put a 5, and then a decimal, and then 2 zeros. So that says $5. Remember, when you're using the dollar sign, you always have to have a decimal, because that separates the dollars on the left, and then the right-hand side would be the amounts that are cents. And then on the right-hand side, it's written the same way, so $5. If you wanted to write this out with the cents symbol, and we were talking about writing it in 2 different ways at school before March break, you could write it like this, although you wouldn't normally see it like this if the amounts are over $1. So you might see something like this. So 500 cents. So that is also correct in the way it's written, but you normally wouldn't see that. But they're both the same thing. $5 with the top and 500 cents the way it's written in the bottom. So those both mean the same thing and say the same thing. Okay, we'll see you next time when we'll be counting up some other amounts of coins.